Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making some jerk chicken. But first I want to say thank you all to the new subscribers and thank you everyone that subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you guys. So now let's get into seasoning this chicken. So it's time to season the chicken. I didn't use the whole thing of Sazon. The browning, I didn't use a lot either because I didn't want it to come out too dark. That's how some people like it. I don't like it like that. I rather it to be a good amount so the color won't be that dark. And now it's time for the season, which is Walkerswood brand. I like this brand. I don't think I tried something else, another brand before, but I like this one better. And I don't remember all the name of it, but this brand is good. And you don't need a lot. You really do not need a lot because if you put a lot, it's gonna be salty. I'm letting you know right now. Because the sodium on this thing is ridiculous. But you gotta control it. You gotta manage how much you use. Depends on how much chicken you cooking. Once again, that's But I don't think you need. I still don't think you need a lot. You just need a good amount of seasoning. You don't want your chicken coming out salty. It does not taste good. And the mild sauce, it says mild, but when you open that can, it's still spicy.
Um, no comments. No comments on why I was dancing like that. Oh God, not in his face.
Oh yeah, I should have did this when I was cleaning the chicken, but I wasn't thinking of it at the time. So I just thought of it when I was seasoning it up. When I was rubbing it together, I'm like, shoot, I should just poke it so the season could get in between the cuts. For a better taste, it tastes good like that. It's gonna taste juicy and nice. And you're gonna enjoy it. So that's why I started poking it. I was poking a lot though. I was doing too much. I was poking a lot. I just wanted to, for it to have a juicy taste. That's why I did that so much. But let me do what I do, and y'all do what y'all do, okay? Okay. I don't know why I was dancing. Girl, you cooking? What you doing? I don't know why I was bouncing around like that. Like, I guess I was happy because I'm about to eat some jerk chicken. I don't know, but yeah. Look at me, I'm still poking. I'm still poking. But nah, see. But yeah, I was just poking it because I really wanted the seasoning to get into the cut, so it could taste really good. So I want it to be really juicy. So after that, the video did cut off because my storage was full. So after that, I did let it marinate for 2 hours, and now it's time to go in the oven. I was like, I'm not about to change pans. No, no, no. I had to force that last piece in. I was not playing. Nobody got time. Nobody got time for that. Like, what? My pants was really greased. So you think I was about to take it out and do all that? No, no. But I put it in the oven around 245. No, yeah, 245, 238, 245. Bugging. Put it in the oven around 245. I couldn't see the time because I had that on. But this is how I was looking after 30 minutes. I came back and checked on it around 3:16, and then and now I'm pouring the water on it so it could cook better, it could bake better. And after this, I'm gonna add a foil foil paper to it, cover it up, and put it back in the oven for another 20-30 minutes. And then I was checking it to see it was cooked. It was cooked, wasn't cooked all the way, obviously. So I was just checking it. But after I put the foil paper on it and put it back for another 20-30 minutes, it will definitely be cooked. Then I take it off, take the foil off, and then I baste it. I think I baste it. So this is how it's looking after I put it in the oven with the foil. So, look at that. It looks so good. So ready to eat. Time to eat.